about one of the very important services of AWS, which is AWS organization. It is used to help us centrally manage your multiple AWS accounts. Let's say your industry or organization contains hundreds of accounts. From the single account you can manage your other 99 accounts, and you can restrict or deny any kind of policies to that 99 members account. From where the you will manage that account, that will be considered as the management account, and the accounts which you manage through your management account, that would be considered as your members account. So let's say this is your management account, and you have to search AWS organization service, right? Once you search it, you have to click here, and you have to click here, and this setup is ready. So under this you will have a root hierarchy, under this your same account listed over here. So that would be your management account. From this account you will manage the other members account. But how you will tag the members account? So there are two options. You have to click on invitation. Either you can create or vent new accounts from here. Like from this you have to give AWS account name, email address, and the IAM role name. Or second option is that you have to invite an existing AWS account. You have to give the registered email address, or you have to paste the 12-digit account number. Let's say this is my member account. So this is account ID is different. Let me copy it. Okay, so I am pasting it over here. So I am sending an invitation. So if you search it over here, you have to search on the member account. Basically you have to either accept or decline this invitation. So you have to click on invitation. So there is one invitation pending. Either you can decline or accept that invitation. Once you accepted this, it will be join that organization. So this is organization. When you will refresh the screen, under root hierarchy, now you are having two AWS accounts. But one thing should be considered here. So this is your management account. This is your this is your management account. Then this is your member account. You cannot restrict the management account or policies from here, but you can restrict the members policies from this management account. Okay, so you can create the OUs. So what is OU? Now you will see. So OU contains multiple accounts, can multiple account or a single account. From there you can restrict the particular policies to the OU. So that it will be centralized managed. How? Let's say, so this account which is a member account, I can open S3, let's say. Okay, now we will restrict from the management account this S3 access. Okay, now I can open the console, I can access this general purpose buckets. But now let's say I want to restrict this S3. How I can do it? Let's say I have to create an OU. OU contains multiple account or a single account. So under which hierarchy? Let's say under root I want to create an OU. So you have to click on create new. Let's say I am creating OU named as prod, staging, or let's say dev. So an OU can contains one single account or multiple AWS account. That will be your members account. Let's say, so I am creating prod account. So it can list multiple accounts. So under prod, so currently there is no account. Okay, so I have to push, I have to centrally move this member account under prod. So you have to click here, and go to actions, move under prod. You have to click here and move AWS accounts. Okay, so there are basically two kind of strategies here. Before going to the strategies, we will have to see what kind of benefits AWS organization provides. So there are two benefits. One is consolidated billing, other is SCP. SCP is secure control policies, AI policies, or backup policies. So you have to go here, policies, So there are many policies over here, but we will focus today basically on service control policies that are important policies. So you have to enable the service control policies by which you can restrict your members accounts for the permissions. So by default you are having this full AWS access, but you can create new policies. So you have to click here. Now your service control policy is enabled. So when you click over here, the targets, so targets would be all those showing like account, this is a organization unit, means OU, and root. Okay, so once you go in, let's say your hierarchy is this. So do you know this account will be having full AWS account how many times? 3 times. How? This is organization based. I mean full AWS access. One is from the root, one is from the prod, one is from the AWS account itself. So it is inheriting from the root one, the policies. But if you want to restrict the member account, you have to attach the strategies like the allow list policies or deny list policies. So deny policies will take a precedence. So how you can restrict it? So let me create one more policy. So go to policies, service control policies. You have to create one. Let's say I am giving name as deny S3 policy. Okay, okay, now you have to come down. So this is a statement. So action is, let's say I am searching over here S3, all actions, and resource would be any S3 bucket. So I am putting a star. So I am creating that policy. So now I want to restrict the member account. How I can do it? Like I will restrict directly to this OU. So you have to click prod, you have to go to policies, and you have to attach it over here, deny S3 policy. This policy has been attached. One should also be remember that under any OU or account, one SCP policy should be there. Okay, you cannot restrict. Let's say this is having one policy, so that policy cannot be removed until and unless you are attaching one more policy to it. Okay, so now this is creating one precedence which is denying S3. So let me see if I can access this S3. Let me refresh the screen. So this access denied is coming. So apart from S3, I can access any other services. See, I can access EC2. So but for S3 the account is restricted, right? So account is restricted. So this is the power of SCP. From a single account you can manage other hundreds account, thousands of account, restricting. Like suppose 10 of accounts will not able to access EC2 or VPC or SageMaker services. The other account can able to access all these 3 services but not S3. So this type of saintly policies management can be created using this management account or organization. Yeah, that's from my end.